Wait, okay. Start filming them.
It is. Wow.
Why? Science!
We're gonna do a really, we're gonna do a really offensive thing. Okay, ready? Oh shit.
Science! Science! Science!
Science. Wowzers.
Hello?
Science. Oh my god. Wait, right here. It's a rare specimen of a leaf. This has never been seen before. Let's get a nice in-shot focus if I can.
Oh god.
Oh dude,
Oh,
wow.
fuck.
I didn't even get that in focus.
No!
Alright, you should get like a really cool dramatic shot of me crossing the bridge. Alright, you should get some science!
Oh god.
Wow. Large pizzas?
Crucify me like Jesus! Like Jesus! Jesus!
Jesus! Smoke weed.
That's weird. This box is broken, but I'm gonna fix it with science.
The force is strong in this one.
I don't know. Man, do you know? It's cool. Let's just do it.